Welcome to Iceland, a land forged by fire and sculpted by ice. On our journey today, we'll explore Iceland's most iconic destinations in just 72 unforgettable hours. From the GoldenCircle to the Blue Lagoon, get ready for breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences. Our adventure begins with Iceland's crown jewel, the GoldenCircle. This legendary route is a gateway to some of the country's most breathtaking wonders, weaving through a landscape shaped by fire and ice. As we set out on this journey, the road unfurls before us, revealing endless vistas of rugged mountains, mossy lava fields, and glacial rivers. The GoldenCircle isn't just a destination, it's an experience that captures the very essence of Iceland's wild spirit and natural beauty. Our first stop is the Geysir geothermal area, where the earth comes alive in a spectacular display. Here the Stroker geyser erupts every few minutes, shooting boiling water high into the air. The ground trembles beneath your feet, and the air is thick with the scent of sulfur and steam. Watching Stroker's powerful eruptions is a reminder of the raw, untamed forces that shape this land. It's a mesmerizing sight, drawing visitors from around the world to witness nature's power up close. Next we journey to Gullfoss, one of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls. Here, the mighty Þingvellir River plunges in two dramatic stages into a deep canyon, creating a thunderous roar and a perpetual mist that often catches the sunlight, forming rainbows. Standing at the edge, you can feel the sheer force of the water as it carves its way through ancient rock. Gullfoss is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a place that stirs the soul, reminding us of nature's grandeur and relentless energy. Our adventure continues at Þingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can literally walk between continents. This rift valley marks the meeting point of the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, which slowly drift apart year by year. As you stroll along the winding paths, you're surrounded by dramatic cliffs and fissures, evidence of the Earth's restless movement. It's a place where geology comes to life, and you can feel the pulse of the planet beneath your feet. But Þingvellir is more than a geological wonder, it's also the birthplace of Icelandic democracy. Over 1,000 years ago, Viking chieftains gathered here to form the Alþingi, the world's oldest surviving parliament. The echoes of history linger in the air, and as you stand on this hallowed ground, you can imagine the ancient assemblies that shaped the nation's destiny. The landscape is dotted with markers and flags, each telling a story of Iceland's enduring spirit and commitment to self-governance. The GoldenCircle is more than just a scenic drive. It's a journey through Iceland's fiery heart, where the forces of nature and the echoes of history collide. From erupting geysers and thundering waterfalls to ancient meeting grounds and volcanic landscapes, every stop along the way reveals a new facet of this extraordinary island. As we travel this legendary route, we uncover the treasures that make Iceland truly unique, leaving us inspired by its beauty, power, and timeless allure. Craving adventure? Iceland's wild side awaits. Speed across glaciers on a snowmobile or hike across ancient ice formations. Each activity offers a unique perspective. Book with reputable operators and always prioritize safety. Whether you're carving through snow or scaling a glacier, these adventures will be a highlight of your trip. With a spirit of adventure, you'll create memories to last a lifetime. After a day of exploring, unwind in the soothing waters of the Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa surrounded by lava fields is famed for its mineral-rich milky blue waters. Indulge in a silica mud mask or simply soak in the serenity. The contrast of warm water and cool air is pure magic. Leave feeling refreshed and ready for more Icelandic wonders. Along Iceland's dramatic south coast, two of the country's most iconic waterfalls await discovery, Skógafoss and Seljalandsfoss. These natural marvels are not just stops on a map, but destinations that capture the imagination and stir the soul. Here the raw power of nature is on full display, and every visit promises a new perspective, a new memory, and a deeper connection to the land of fire and ice. Skógafoss, one of Iceland's largest and most breathtaking waterfalls, plunges dramatically from a height of 60 meters, its powerful cascade sending up clouds of mist that fill the air with energy and life. The thunderous roar of the water can be heard from afar, drawing visitors closer to witness its sheer force. On sunny days, sunlight dances through the mist, painting vibrant rainbows that arch across the base of the falls. It's a magical sight, as if nature itself is putting on a show just for you. And it's easy to see why Skógafoss has inspired countless legends and stories over the centuries. For those seeking adventure, a staircase winds its way up the cliffside, offering a challenging climb and rewarding you with sweeping panoramic views from the top. From here, the landscape stretches out in every direction, lush green fields, distant mountains, and the endless sky above. Legend has it that a Viking settler hid a chest of treasure behind Skógafoss, and some say you can still catch a glimpse of it glinting in the spray. Whether or not you find the treasure, exploring behind the falls is an adventure in itself, with the roar of water echoing all around you. Just a short drive away, Seljalandsfoss offers a completely different experience. Here, a narrow path leads you behind the curtain of water, allowing you to stand in the heart of the cascade and look out through the shimmering veil. It's a perspective few places in the world can offer, and it's unforgettable. The waterfalls are framed by lush meadows and rugged cliffs, creating a landscape that feels both wild and welcoming. The contrast of vibrant green fields against the dark volcanic rock is a reminder of Iceland's unique geology and the powerful forces that shape this land. Here on the south coast, you're not just seeing Iceland's beauty, you're experiencing it with all your senses. The sound of rushing water, the cool mist on your skin, the endless vistas. This is where you truly connect with the elemental spirit of Iceland and where memories are made to last a lifetime. Reynisfjara, the black sand beach near Vik, is a place of stark, otherworldly beauty. Marvel at the towering basalt columns and the powerful Atlantic waves. Legends say the sea stacks are trolls turned to stone by the sun. Admire the dramatic landscape, but always respect the ocean's unpredictable power. Reynisfjara is a reminder of Iceland's untamed spirit. Jökulsárlón Glacial Lagoon is a mesmerizing world of drifting icebergs and shimmering blue water. Take a boat tour for an up-close look at these icy giants and spot seals basking on the ice. Nearby, Diamond Beach sparkles with ice fragments on black sand. A photographer's dream. This tranquil landscape is a testament to nature's artistry. Jökulsárlón is a place of wonder you'll never forget. Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital, blends rich history with modern flair. Explore the city center's colorful streets, visit Hallgrímskirkja Church for panoramic views and dive into local museums. Savor Icelandic cuisine from fresh seafood to innovative dishes. Experience the city's lively nightlife and warm hospitality. Reykjavik is a cultural gem at the edge of the Arctic. No trip to Iceland is complete without chasing the northern lights. Head away from city lights, check the aurora forecast, and dress warmly for your chance to witness this magical spectacle. The northern lights transform the sky into a canvas of dancing colors. Patience is key, but when the lights appear, it's pure awe. It's a moment that will stay with you forever. Iceland is often seen as an expensive destination, but with a bit of creativity and careful planning, it can be surprisingly accessible for travelers on a budget. The key is to know where to save and where to splurge, so you can experience the magic of this unique country without worrying about your wallet. From the moment you arrive, there are plenty of ways to make your adventure affordable and memorable. Accommodation is one of the biggest expenses, but you can cut costs by choosing hostels, cozy guest houses, or even camping under the stars in Iceland's stunning landscapes. Many hostels and guest houses offer communal kitchens, so you can prepare your own meals using fresh ingredients from local supermarkets. Not only does this save money, but it also gives you a chance to try Icelandic recipes and bond with fellow travelers. If you're feeling adventurous, camping is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in nature and wake up to breathtaking views every morning. Getting around Iceland doesn't have to be expensive either. Renting a car with friends lets you split costs and gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, from the famous ring road to hidden waterfalls and black sand beaches. Alternatively, Iceland's public bus system connects many towns and natural attractions, making it a budget-friendly option for solo travelers or those who prefer not to drive. Eating out in Iceland can add up quickly, but there are ways to enjoy local cuisine without overspending. Look for restaurants that offer lunch specials, which are often more affordable than dinner menus. In Reykjavik, many bars and cafes have happy hour deals on drinks and snacks, so you can sample Icelandic flavors and socialize with locals and other travelers without breaking the bank. The best part about Iceland is that many of its most unforgettable experiences are completely free. Lace up your boots and hike through dramatic mountains, wander along volcanic landscapes, or soak in natural hot springs surrounded by untouched wilderness. And when night falls, keep your eyes on the sky. The Northern Lights often put on a dazzling show, no ticket required. These moments are priceless, and they're available to everyone. With a little planning and an adventurous spirit, you'll discover that Iceland's wonders are within reach for every traveler. Affordable adventures await, so pack your bags, gather your friends, and get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime, all without breaking the bank. Beyond the famous sights, Iceland is full of free adventures and hidden gems. Hike through breathtaking landscapes, from the Reykjanes Peninsula to Mount Esja. Discover natural hot springs off the beaten path. Ask locals for tips. Embrace the spirit of exploration and find your own slice of Icelandic magic. The best things in Iceland are often free. Our 72-hour journey ends, but Iceland's wonders are just beginning. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or inspiration, Iceland has it all. Start planning, your unforgettable Icelandic adventure awaits.